Positivity is contagious. So is negativity. Make sure you're spreading what's positive. Only then will you be able to attract something similar. It's not a coincidence that the day will appear brighter when you're brimming with positivity and hope. Keep it alive in your heart. Your pain, your struggles, your hardship will always lead to strength. Yes, without a doubt. They aren't random events but carefully planned by the Almighty. The best planner. They have a beautiful purpose. They will lift you, strengthen you and mold you. Embrace them. When you've been wronged you expect an apology. At times, it doesn't come. If a person doesn't apologize, it's not because they don't believe they made a mess, but perhaps because they just don't know how. That's a fact. Try not to take it personally. Forgive them. Move on. Always ask the Almighty to make our intentions pure, our words honest and our actions sincere. Don't taint what the Almighty has given us with arrogance. Always humble yourself. It doesn't matter how powerful you are. King or commoner, your grave will be similar. Sad is he who thinks he has done many good deeds only to find out on Judgment Day that he has lost them all through backbiting, gossiping, slandering and showing up the faults of others. Stay away from these evil acts. Mind your own turf and you will reap the rewards. Losing someone you love is one of the biggest tests in life. You'll have to carry on without the one you thought you could never live without. Allow yourself time to grieve. The pain and heartache will serve as reminders. Submit to the Almighty's decree. He will grant you ease. Contentment is the greatest remedy for stress. People under stress will pay enormous amounts of money to alleviate their pain, whether through drugs or therapy. Yet, a believer who's content with the Almighty's decree finds a greater relief, without spending even a cent. No matter how tired you are, how much you're struggling, keep moving closer towards the Almighty. Remember, our hearts and faith are constantly shifting. Don't let Satan take control. Try your best to keep on the straight path always. Easy, but it will be worth it. Don't waste your effort worrying about what people will think or say about you. It's a futile exercise and it's wrong to waste precious time like that. Instead, use that time wisely, do meaningful work, help someone. Spread goodness and kindness which can have a ripple effect. When people show you their true colors, take heed. The trouble is we try to convince ourselves that they're not what they've proven to be and we end up getting hurt. This is foolish. Read the signs that the Almighty sends you and be alert. It could save you from so much trouble.